Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses DTC code P0831, which indicates a high voltage issue within the clutch pedal position switch A circuit. Recognizing this fault is vital for proper vehicle operation. The clutch pedal position switch plays a crucial role in informing the powertrain control module, PCM, about the pedal's position. This communication is key in managing engine power and transmission interactions. The location of this switch is typically near the clutch pedal assembly in the footwell area of the vehicle. Accurate diagnostics will lead to a reliable fix, ensuring safe and efficient operation of the Honda Fit. DTC P0831 is triggered when there is an abnormal high voltage detected in the clutch pedal position switch A circuit. The clutch pedal position switch is essential for the vehicle's transmission system, as it signals to the PCM the position of the clutch pedal. This switch is generally located at the clutch pedal's assembly, ensuring it accurately reads when the pedal is pressed or released. Proper operation of the clutch pedal switch directly influences the vehicle's shifting efficiency and overall performance. If this switch fails, it can lead to undesirable symptoms in drivability. Understanding the circuit's role and location helps in pinpointing issues effectively. There are several potential causes for DTC P0831. Firstly, the clutch pedal position switch itself may be damaged or malfunctioning, indicating a need for repair or replacement. Secondly, loose connections, particularly at the switch or the PCM, could lead to intermittent failures, resulting in errors being thrown. Lastly, shorted wires in the circuit could be a contributing factor, where the signal path from the switch to the PCM is compromised. Each of these elements can disrupt the communication essential for optimal vehicle operation. Thoroughly assessing these possibilities is critical for effective troubleshooting and repair. Symptoms associated with DTC P0831 can significantly affect driving experience. Most notably, drivers may experience erratic transmission behavior, where shifts may not occur as expected. Additionally, the vehicle's dashboard could display warning lights, alerting the driver to potential issues. This warning serves to notify the driver to seek diagnostic help. Inconsistent vehicle performance, such as hesitation during acceleration or difficulty shifting gears, is also common. Recognizing these symptoms early allows for timely intervention, potentially preventing more severe mechanical failures down the line. Monitoring these behaviors closely is essential for vehicle health. To start troubleshooting for DTC P0831, ensure that the vehicle is in the on mode. Once in this state, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the existing DTCs. Clearing these codes allows for a fresh assessment of the vehicle's systems. After clearing, check the parameters for the clutch pedal position switch A. It's essential to verify the current conditions match the expected thresholds listed in HDS. If the readings are accurate and within specification, the fault has been reproduced, and you can proceed to the next step. Conversely, if there is a discrepancy in readings, consider checking for poor connections or loose terminals at the switch and PCM. In this step, turn the vehicle to the off/lock mode before beginning an assessment of the clutch pedal position switch A. This involves inspecting the physical condition of the switch itself for any sign of damage or looseness. A damaged or loose switch would need either repair or complete replacement to restore proper functioning. Verify that all connections to the switch are secure and undamaged. If the switch appears intact, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Conducting a thorough visual inspection here helps to eliminate the switch as a potential cause of the problem. For the third troubleshooting step, Disconnect the clutch pedal position switch AC4P connector. Once this connection is severed, re-establish the vehicle's power by turning it to the on mode. Next, you should use the HDS to verify the parameters of the clutch pedal position switch A. The expected condition at this phase is for the switch to read open. If the HDS indicates that the current conditions indeed match this threshold, it suggests that the switch itself is faulty and needs replacement. This step is crucial as it narrows down the focus to the switch itself, ensuring a precise diagnosis. In this fourth step, return the vehicle to off-lock mode. Utilize the HDS to jump the SCS or service check signal line, which is crucial in enabling diagnostics to proceed smoothly. After conducting this action, disconnect the PCM connector A51P to facilitate testing for continuity within the system. You will then check for continuity between designated test points on the clutch pedal position switch, AC connector, and body ground. If continuity is present, it indicates that there is a short within the clutch SWSA wire that requires immediate repair. Conversely, if continuity checks out normal, consider updating the PCM with the latest software or substituting it with a known good unit. After repairs are completed, it is imperative to verify the success of the work performed on the vehicle. Reset the DTCs one final time using the HDS to ensure all previous faults have been cleared from the system's memory. Following this, conduct a test drive to monitor vehicle performance and verify that the original symptoms of DTC P0831 have been resolved. It is important to observe if the clutch pedal operates without issue during the drive. If the DTC does not return, you have effectively completed troubleshooting and repairs. Ongoing monitoring, however, is recommended to ensure lasting reliability. Preventive maintenance is critical for avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0831. Regularly inspecting the clutch pedal position switch and its wiring can help catch early signs of wear or damage before they escalate to failure. Ensure that all connections are tight and free of corrosion, as loose connections can cause intermittent issues. Additionally, maintain the security of all wiring to prevent chafing or shorts that may lead to circuit problems. Regular checkups can contribute significantly to extending the operating lifespan of key components within the vehicle's transmission system, ultimately ensuring a smoother driving experience. In conclusion, understanding the vital role of the clutch pedal position switch is essential for effectively diagnosing DTC P0831. Follow the outlined troubleshooting steps carefully to ensure no potential causes are overlooked. Each step provides valuable insights into possible issues, from the switch itself to wiring and connections. Effective repairs should be validated by reset and test drive procedures to confirm success. Prevention through routine maintenance can save time and resources in the long term. Keeping this DTC in mind promotes vehicle reliability and enhances overall driving safety. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.